8 warning signs of cancer you shouldn't ignore. Cancer can often show early warning signs that many people overlook. Here are 8 symptoms that could indicate cancer and should not be ignored. 1. Unusual lumps under the skin. Feeling a hard lump under the skin, especially in areas like the breasts, could be a warning sign. Women and men who perform regular self-exams are more likely to notice these changes early. Being familiar with how your body normally feels can help you identify any new or unusual growths. 2. Skin change. Unusual changes in the skin, including alterations in moles, warts, or pigmentation, may be early indicators of skin cancer. Melanoma, one of the most common forms of skin cancer, often appears as an abnormal spot with an unusual shape, size, or color. If a mole or wart starts growing, changing color, or developing hair, it's important to get it checked by a doctor. Skin discoloration can also occur due to a drop in platelet levels, which may be linked to underlying health conditions. 3. Unexplained weight loss. If you've experienced a significant drop in weight, about 4 to 5 kilograms, 8 to 10 pounds, within a month, without any changes in your diet or exercise routine, this could be a cause for concern. Unintentional weight loss may be a sign of an underlying health issue, including thyroid disorders or certain types of cancer. 4. Persistent bloating. Many women experience bloating, often due to digestion issues or their menstrual cycle. However, if bloating occurs suddenly and lasts for 2 weeks or more, especially if accompanied by abdominal or pelvic pain, it could be a sign of ovarian cancer. Since this form of cancer is difficult to detect in its early stages, paying attention to persistent bloating is crucial. 5. Wounds that won't heal. A cut or injury that takes an unusually long time to heal, or shows little improvement, might signal an underlying health issue. The body prioritizes fighting cancer over healing minor wounds, which can delay the recovery process. If a wound doesn't improve after 5 days, consult a doctor to rule out any serious conditions. 6. Persistent itching or skin irritation. The immune system treats cancer cells similarly to infections, increasing blood flow to affected areas. This can cause redness, warmth, tightness, or itchiness in certain parts of the body. If you notice persistent itching or irritation without a clear cause, consider seeking medical advice. 7. Mouth or tongue sores and lumps. Oral cancer accounts for about 3% of all cancer cases in the U.S., affecting roughly 53,000 people annually. It can cause lesions or lumps on the tongue, gums, inner cheeks, under the tongue, and near the throat. If you notice any persistent sores, bumps, or unusual growths in your mouth, it's best to consult a healthcare professional. 8. Changes in urination. Bladder function should remain relatively consistent. Be mindful of changes such as weakened urine flow, dark or cloudy urine, a strong, unusual smell, foam or bubbles in the urine, blood in the urine. These symptoms may indicate a minor infection or, in some cases, bladder or pancreatic cancer. If you experience any of these signs, seek medical attention for further evaluation. Stay informed and take Actio. If you notice any of these warning signs, don't ignore them. While they don't always indicate cancer, early detection is key to successful treatment. Make sure to consult your doctor if you experience persistent or unusual symptoms. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest health tips and awareness videos.